let's get arty at our party and go circle crazy using bubble wrap and round objects to print a really colourful picture. But first, we'll need some things from...
The Doodle Tube!
That's right! We'll need some paper or card and brightly coloured paint. Some bubble wrap and some brushes. A bouncy ball. No, Doodle Tube, this is a sphere, not a circle. Come on, we don't want letters of complaint, do we? And we'll also need some round cups and some lids. All right then, Mini Makers, let's get started. Now, this is going to be lots of fun, but it can get quite messy, so it's a good idea to put down some old paper or some newspaper first. Let's start off by bringing in some background paper or card. And now we need to print some brightly coloured circles onto this card. And to do that, I'm going to use some bubble wrap first. So what we're going to do is take a brush and we paint right on to the bubbles. Make sure you get lots of paint on. And when you've done that, we can print it onto the card. On it goes. Print it down. And then carefully peel it off. Look at that! Lovely circles. Let's do some more. And it looks really good if you use lots of different colours. And now we can print some circles that are a little bit smaller by using smaller bubble wrap. And when the paint is dry, find a cup, a lid, or something with a rim, like this, and use that to print more circles all over our picture. Let's use some nice bright white paint this time. Just dip it in and then print it on. Here we go. This is going to be a nice big circle, this one. Look at that. Let's do some more. Keep printing more circles in different sizes all over your picture. And here we have it, my friends, a super circle print picture. What do you think about that? Do you like it?
Yeah!